Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to hide notification sounds in Google Chrome. If you find those notification alerts distracting, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you have it open, look to the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. This is known as the menu icon, and it will give you access to various settings and options within Chrome. After clicking the three dots, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your browsing experience. Now, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security on the left side of the screen. Click on this option, and then navigate to Site Settings. This section allows you to manage how different sites interact with your browser. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you find Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of sites that are allowed or blocked from sending notifications. To disable sound for notifications, simply toggle off the option that says Sites can ask to send notifications. This will prevent any new sites from sending notifications that come with sound alerts. If you want to keep some notifications but just mute the sound, look for specific sites listed under Allowed to Send Notifications. Click on the three dots next to each site and select Block or Remove. This way, you can manage which sites can send notifications without any sound. Finally, ensure that your changes are saved. You can now enjoy a quieter browsing experience without those annoying notification sounds interrupting your focus. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden notification sounds in Google Chrome. Enjoy a more peaceful online experience.